What's up, guys? It's that time again where we sit down and plan for our month to the best of our capabilities, because life still be lifing, okay? While I go ahead and do the intro, you go ahead and get everything you need to make this body doubling situation here as productive as it can be for you. Whether that's a candle or a drink or a new environment, do what you gotta do. For those of you who are new here, my name is Ty. This is in Thailand. This channel is about all things personal growth, self-development, and just really being your authentic self and growing through life. And if you are a returning subby here, hey girl, you know the vibes over here. You already know what's up. My drink of choice today is peach tea with a honey peach stick. Yum, girl, yum. I got it for my birthday and it's actually really good. I need this right now because my anxiety has been like, whoo, mix that in with like your cycle, and it's just a concoction for chaos. So I had to do like emotional tapping. Anyways, hold on. That's not what this is about. This is about productivity. Anyways, this is the drink of choice, okay? You get your drink of choice. May was a basic month. If I have to give it a number, if 5 is average, I'd give it a 4. Okay, and the only reason why I got a 4 is because my mother's birthday, my grandmother's birthday, Mother's Day, and I got to celebrate my best friend's accomplishments with her bear day. I got my mom a gift for her birthday and she actually enjoyed it. So like them were the highlights of the month. The rest of that month, ghetto. And also being done with work. I did love that school was over. Okay, so I'd give it a 5. Let me stop. You know, when you not in a good space in the present moment, you can tend to be a little negative. So I'll snap out of that real quick. I'd give it a 5 out of 10. Oh, I did my photo shoot for my birthday in May. Towards the end of May, I did my thing, honey. That was also a highlight for the month. What else? Spent a lot of time in nature. Spent a lot of time with coworkers. That's it, girl. That's all I got for May. Anyways, let's move on. I'm ready to move on from May. Let's pull up our Notion template, our identity shift operating system, and look at these goals and habits, girl. Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, 'cause it could get ugly before it gets beautiful. No, for real, don't come in my comments talking crazy, 'cause I will drag you. Okay, let's get into it. Our favorite Notion template, hey. If you want a new outcome, you will have to break the habit of being yourself and reinvent yourself. And just know, when you decide to, as soon as you plant that intention, just get ready for life to be shaken up and dragged and so much uncomfortability, girl. But it's worth it in the end. And if you surrender, it don't gotta be that painful. Okay, let's look at these goals and habits. I don't remember the last time I looked at this. I'm just gonna be completely honest. This looks about right. That looks about right. Goals and habits for May. The daily habits, affirmations, meditations, reading at least an hour a day for my body, stretch, walk 2 times a week. I did that. We'll talk about that in a second. And then I wanted to increase my income by becoming proficient in Amazon seller. Now, let's just rip the Band-Aid off and really just dig into it. I'm gonna just be completely honest. Affirmations, I was doing that every day. I know it don't look like it because I stopped coming in here to check off this stuff. But yes, affirmations, I did do those every day. Meditation, I did not do that every day. There were like a couple of days that I didn't sit my behind down to meditate. Reading 1 hour a day, I did not do that. Stretching, I didn't do that much. I didn't do that as much as I should have, as you can, well, I was on a roll too. I had a little streak going. Walking 2 times a week, I literally did that every single week. Okay, I actually did more than 2 times a week because I've thoroughly enjoyed going to the park and just walking. And I was tracking it on my watch that I got from TikTok. Don't recommend. They're dumb and they don't work efficiently. But I was tracking it on there, and come to find out it wasn't syncing with the app on my phone, so I don't have any evidence of me doing that. So just take my word, girl. I wouldn't lie. You see I'm over here exposing myself now. Why would I lie about that? But yeah, it didn't track it, so I have no proof. But I was doing it, and then some, okay? And I'm actually, I'm proud of myself. Doo-doo. All right, become proficient in Amazon seller. Girl, I stopped watching them videos, but I have been shipping off orders. The stuff I do have on my seller account have been getting orders slowly though, but I've been mailing them off. I just have to find better products, more in-demand products. I've been selling like glue. Glue, what else? Shampoo, books. I really don't have much to say about this. I would actually like to move on, if that's okay with everyone else. How was your May? Please let me know. Please, I hope you had a better May than I did. I hope you were able to accomplish something in May. Please drop it below in the comments so I can see that other people was doing what they had to do and feel motivated and be like, yes, let me get on my ish. Okay, let's clear this out. I don't want to look at it anymore. I don't want to be reminded of my failures. I'm still going to do my affirmations. I'm still going to meditate daily. I'm still going to read an hour a day. I literally have no excuse now that I'm not at the school. I have no excuse to not read an hour a day. I'm going to add one more thing to daily habits because my nervous system is screaming. My nervous system is like, please, like meditation is great. But I need something else. So I'm going to add in EFT, which is emotional freedom tapping, I believe. I'm going to do that daily. I'm going to start my day off with it, end my night with it. So I'm going to put 2 times. So I have to add that to our daily log as well. For my body, I still need to stretch, and I'm still going to do my 2 times a week. I have to figure out another way to track that. I think I could track it in here. Yeah, and then the other goal I want to have, actually, now that I think about it, stretching is also a daily habit. We're going to move this up here. Stretching is a daily habit. Body goals, walk 2 times a week. And I'm going to put pay off a debt. I want to pay off 1 credit card this month. Let's switch it up. We're going to pay off 1 credit card this month. I need something more attainable. Increased income is just like super vague and it's annoying to even think about. So now that we went ahead and add EFT into our daily habits, we need to add it to our table. So let's go here. We're going to duplicate the property. We're going to change it to EFT. And we are going to change this to, can we do fingers or a hand? Let's do a hand. So some actionable steps that I can take to make these a reality. I'm going to create an EFT / meditation. Meditation playlist. So that way I can just wake up, click one button and like go. Because now that I'm not working, I've been getting in the habit of waking up and getting on my phone, especially now that my TikTok is gaining traction. I've been going on there and checking to see if there's like any comments that I need to like or respond to, and that is not how I want to start my day. I'm going to put my yoga mat by my bed. So I'm going to put my yoga mat right by my bed so it would signal to my mind, hey, stretch as soon as you get out. Ay. So yes, genius. Anyways, what other actionable steps can I take to make sure that I set myself up for success? What's an actionable step? Oh, figure out which credit card I want to do. And I'm going to hang the credit card bill up where I can see it. Period. I'm just gonna put it in there. We're gonna see what happened, girl. I know you tired of me talking about it. I'm tired of talking about it too. Let's just move on. Let's go to our reading list. This month, I read Radical Acceptance with a friend of mine, which I don't think she finished it either. I don't even think she read it. I gotta hit her up and ask, hey girl, if you've seen this, did you finish the book? So I'm on chapter 8 now, which is Awakening Compassion for Ourselves, Becoming the Holder in the Held. Ooh, that's gonna be good. So I'm actually on page 199. So let's update that. I'm gonna finish that book like ASAP. So I'm actually 60% done with the book, and now that I can visualize being 60% done with the book, I'm definitely gonna finish the book because the chapters in this book are long. But it is a really good book. It is a good book, especially if you are having a hard time with just accepting things. Because we can't make changes from a lens of shame and guilt. You will not get far, okay? I did try to finish How to Get Rich. Look at that, 94%. I actually started it over because it was going to be one of my books for the book summary. And I just... I don't have any books that I want to read for June in my lineup. I just want to finish Radical Acceptance, and that's it. And I put This Is Your Brain on Plans on my do not finish list. I looked at the first couple of pages. I said, that'll do it. Returned it back to the library. Okay, let's get into these finances. I really don't want to, but hey. Oh, hold on. I just realized something. Y'all, I did start investing. Hey, I started investing with a little bit of money. Nothing too crazy, seriously. But I put some money onto Fidelity in one of those, I don't even know the technical terms. I'm not prepared to talk about it. But I did start investing with a little bit of money. So I'm going to check that off. Okay, it may not be... I said start investing. I didn't say invest a lot of money and make a lot of money. So, yeah. And also, if you made it this far in the video, shout out to you. Love to see it. Love the enthusiasm for you getting your life together and being non-judgment at how I just, fumble sometimes. It be like that sometimes. So, yeah, if you're not subscribed, you should go ahead and subscribe, girl. We here with it now. All right, so my expected expenses for May was $2,441. So based off of that number, I gave myself a budget of $3,000. I ended up spending $2,800 on expenses for the month of May, which is pretty on theme for what I usually spend in a month. This one was just like a little bit more. And that's because I had more like stuff from April that I needed to take care of. So not too shabby. Could I do better? Yes. Will I do better? Yes, because I only got 2 months. I got 2 months to get my life together. And I work good under pressure. No, I don't. I be bawling my eyes out. Anyways, let's clear this out. I'm not going to completely delete everything on here because some of these things are reoccurring. I'm just going to change the dates. So I'll be back. I went ahead and entered in all of my expenses. This is not all of them because there's a couple bills I have no idea how much they are yet. So I have to probably call or see if it's in the mail somewhere so I can get that. But I did make a couple of like credit card payments higher because I'm gonna pay off one of my credit cards this month, and I'm gonna pay off my Discover card. So that's why it's that high. Anyways, so we're at $2,302.62. This is what I paid so far in June. My June budget. I need to go grocery shopping, like ASAP. My June budget. We're gonna keep it at 3,000. Yep. We're gonna keep it at 3,000. To keep my areas of focus, still financial well-being and personal development. I am wishing prosperity and abundance on everyone for this month of June. May it be a month where you flourish, you show up as your true self, and things really just start to align for you. I really hope that for everyone. And that's all I have. Have a blessed June, guys. See you in July.